got better music. And yeah, let's do it. So I'm formatting paperback now using Microsoft Word, don't judge, and Kindle Create plugin for that. So currently I'm going through and I'm adding all the chapters as a chapter title, so it'll show up in the table of contents. Fun times. It's the Quarren stream. I haven't added in page numbers yet. That's why everything's like 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 1. Alright. This book has 53 chapters, so anytime you have to do anything to every chapter, which I have already had to do multiple times, you end up a mess. I tried just to say update all these, but it doesn't work in the Kindle Create stuff, so save often, my friends. Save often. So this is, it's tedious work, and that's why, that's why people hire this type of thing out. But at the same time, it's really easy. I mean, I'm sitting here in my pajamas with my cup of coffee at home, listening to music. Technically, I could listen to a podcast or an audiobook, or even have like a movie or TV show playing in the background, if you're not too distracted by those types of things. Technically, I could do that kind of stuff while I'm sitting here doing it, and that's why I love book formatting, because you don't really have to think while you do it. It's task oriented, so you get stuck on something where you have an update 53 chapter headings, and you can just kind of zone out on it. It's not like editing. It's not like editing where you have to, use your brain. Or writing. Both of those are pretty cognitively intense. This is just kind of do it and let your mind wander. It's almost meditative. If you're doing it when you're sleepy, it can be downright impossible. I'm probably doing this the hard way. I can probably, now that I'm just finding this out on chapter 46, if I just click here at the beginning, we'll see if that works. Three more chapters. When it rains, it pours. Alright. So that's all 53 chapters. Let's save. Scroll back to the top. We'll update our table of contents. Yep, looks pretty good. Let's just make sure all there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 50, 51, 53. Looks good. Click save. Alright, so that's all of our elements there. So now we're going to put on some finishing touches here. So we're going to go ahead and do our page numbers. Okay, good deal. And we're going to insert our headers. Alright. Check for any blank pages, any widows, orphans. Yeah, nothing in there. No blank pages. Everything looks wonderful. Alright, I'm going to save. We're going to test upload this when I get back. No preview this time. How boring. That's probably because I don't know. I'm just checking to see if it's got me streaming. Yep. Alright. So that's it. We're going to test upload it. So I'm just going to go to my bookshelf. And what I have is just a test book here that I use to test upload ebooks and paperbacks. Now, Amazon has the Kindle previewer, but I don't find that that's as accurate as just uploading it here to the dashboard and previewing it this way. Usually takes a minute, if not several minutes. Yeah, just hanging out today. So I'm gonna start streaming probably a couple of times a week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Those are the days that I'm in the office all day. So just stream. You can hang out with me. My name's Ava. I work as a virtual assistant for various people. And today just happened to be formatting an ebook and a paperback book. So we're on the paperback now. And, you know, just hanging out, working. You know, riding out a pandemic, apparently. So I don't have my webcam on because I'm in my pajamas and my hair's sticking up. Y'all don't need to see I'm not camera shy. I don't really care, but y'all don't need to see my face to hang out with me. If you want to know what I look like, you can see me, on my Twitter account, everywhere. So I do have a nice webcam, but I doubt very many of these streams will include that. Maybe in the afternoons, I might flip on the webcam in the afternoon. But in the mornings, yeah, I'm just not, because, there's all, men, they always have such an easy time with that because, their hair and stuff's easier to do if they're not complete, like metrosexual or whatever. Especially like bald dudes, they don't, what do you get out of bed and then you're ready to stream, you know what I mean? Like, but women, it's a little more difficult than that, and we're expected to look a certain way, so. And, I'm more into building my business than worrying about all that rubbish. So yeah, we just skip out on the old webcam for now. Alright, now I really love this previewer because unlike the ebook previewer where you have to, go through and look at every page, this one, all you gotta do is click on the thumbnail view. So I'm getting an error here. If your book has errors that won't meet our quality standards, to publish your book, you need to fix the errors. Insufficient gutter. Learn how to change the margins in your file. So this is one page that has a problem. Preview online fixes some issues. Remove non-printable markup. Please check. Alright, so it appears there's one page in the book that the margins are messed up on, so that shouldn't be a very difficult fix. I'm just going to switch over to the thumbnail view, and we'll go to that page 67. This one. Here we go. Alright, let's check it out in our Word document. Here. Slim woman in a black dress. Is this the same? It's not even the same. Okay, so this is what? Chapter 20. Here we go. It's right here. Right here's the problem. See that? We're gonna fix it. See that? See our margin here is a little off? We're gonna fix it. Boom. Done. Save. So that's gonna be taken care of. You can see it how it kind of bows out there. We fixed that. Just that one page. Alright, so let's have a look at what we got going on here. So the main things that I check for here are blank pages. We don't want any blank pages, and we don't want any weird stuff. So everything looks good, looks nice and uniform. One page looks to be on level with the other page. Good deal. Everything looks good. I think we are done. So in traditional typesetting or formatting, things like this would be a no-go. And since we're professionals, we definitely want to check into how we can get rid of these couple of widows. You don't want like little one-liners like this on a page, so let's see what we can do to get rid of those. I'm actually going to Google this because excuse me. So this is what I do when I need help. I Google it. So what we want to do is control our widows and our orphans. Look at this. Look at that. Microsoft Word is amazing. So let's see if this is still a thing. This was last updated in Alright, let's see what it says. So put the insertion point in the paragraph that has either the widow or orphan. Alright. I don't even know. Let's see. See there, here's one right here. Widow orphan control is actually on. Make sure we're on the check, so click OK. Well, that didn't do anything. Let's see if we can do this. That doesn't do anything. Okay, well, I just moved it. I am so sorry. I don't mean to keep coughing in y'all's ear. Alright, so alright. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna call it good. And then I'm gonna turn off my paragraph marks. And I'm just gonna scroll through this one more time. I'm gonna close this and scroll through. Yeah. Alright. Just to make sure, so you know everything looks the way it should. Since we've justified, since we're, our paragraphs are justified, I just want to make sure there's no weird spacing anywhere. It's one of them stupid spots. I don't know how many times I'd have to go through this and get rid of all those places where somebody, put in a line break where there shouldn't be one. Whoever edited this was not very good. this is ready to go, y'all. Hey, I'll catch you in the next stream. As soon as I figure out how to turn this one off. Thanks for tuning in.